On the menu today, chicken fajitas. Use some chicken up, chopped already with the peppers. To make it a bit of bushcraft smoke effect, brought a little grill tray, and that'll get the smoke onto the chicken before mixing it in with the regular ingredients. So I'm just getting that out here first. In fact, I'll do it with the peppers too. There we have it. So we'll wait till the fire dies down a bit and get it smoked. Then it's get in the pan, mixing it. And for myself, I'm using the wholemeal tortilla wrap. And of course, the salsa and cream. Forgot the guacamole, and I forgot to bring oil. Wouldn't be the same without forgetting something. And of course the cheese to top it off. As a bushcraft cooking does. Twigs and all sorts. Scale. I think they're designed to be on fire, but there you go. I think we're done with the proper cooking here. Let's go with the salsa. Heat up fine. The fire's piped more up actually. Hey, the wee robin's back. Stay there, little friend. Oh, don't be shy. Oh, the little robin was up there, it's there. Hey, I've been trying to get you for a long time. Don't be shy. There you are. And a Merry Christmas to you. How are you? This little guy's visiting me all the time. Pleased to meet your acquaintance. This is the closest I've got. Well, it's been a few visits. I've been trying to get a hold of you. Hey. Where'd you go? There he is. I hope I get a still and get a nice photograph. How cool is that? Well, you've got a full tummy. Maybe like mine soon. Oh, nice spot. Stay right there. Oh, my phone's in charge in the house and I've no other camera. I'm burning my fajitas for you here, little one. Oh, and he's back down here. How great would that photo be if I can actually manage to do something? Come on up then. Come try some. There he is. Oh, he's not so shy today. Yeah, no need to be afraid. Oh, you're lovely. You are lovely. Yes, you are. There you go, little guy. And he's away. Well, that was the best footage I've had so far. This little robin, he has been about constantly. Every time I'm here, he's been here, and that's the closest he's actually came. He must be getting used to me. Could be talking to him soon if I stay there was long enough. That's always a good sign of winter and Christmas, isn't it? Anyway, let's savour what's left of these fajitas. Use the salsa. I got a bit of fresh stuff on the tortillas in order. That'll rub in. Tortillas naturally fine. Keep them warm. Here we go, guys. They're good. I've got the cheese. Hold the phone. Charles and cream are great. Starting to that feeling with fajitas where you can have a lot now. So I do intend to eat them all. There's a special place rather than, I'd like to try and do the bivvy one night somewhere in the wild, just under the bivvy on one of the hills. Take the tent, but there's a special place that's quite unique in terms of a little hermitage hut that's been made by a man that I know. He's in his 80s, and wait to see the workmanship that's went into building this. It is bomb-proof, just made out of the mountain boulders and bricks with a good timbered roof and the grass over it. A little fireplace inside and a space to lie up and have a sleep. So I'm hoping to do an overnighter in that, on top of one of the hills, and then into the wilds for a night. So 2 nights away, maybe 3 at a push. Maybe I want to get an overnighter done here soon as well. But I've got a new Mavic Pro Platinum drone ordered. It's on the way from Jessops. It's a pre-order stage and they don't know how long it's going to take. But looking at forums, DJI have actually delayed it a few months in total for getting them over. So that's coming. I've got the green screen in place, I've got the vlogging coming. I'm doing more of this. I've got about 4 books in the house right now. Some from the library, some from Amazon, and bushcraft skills, survival skills. I'm literally going to be doing videos constantly of bushcraft for beginners, because I myself am a beginner. So that's going to be a series, a playlist within the channel, all coming. 2018 is going to be a great year for Prophecy Prepper. I just need to keep the motivation going. I would say the first time in 2 months. Previous week didn't have a video in place, but this week off work I hope to get a good few done, make a piggy bank, and I shall have my 100th video for the new year, hopefully by Christmas maybe. And I'm actually thinking about doing a Christmas video, a live broadcast if I can, of having you at Christmas dinner with me. So if you're up for that, by all means tune in when it's coming. Get onto my Facebook page and keep up with the notifications on it, because if I can't live view on YouTube, I certainly can on Facebook. And just type in Prophecy Prepper and you'll find me. Links at the bottom, and also the Instagram. I'm going to see if I can get a few photographs out of the video there with the little Robin Redbreast. It's going to be a little mascot for this area, I think. It's going to be great. But until the next time, guys, enjoy what you are all doing. Thanks for all your support. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, because I really hope you get the notifications to come. There are plenty of things I've got in the woodwork, plenty. And I'm just sorry I took so long to do the few videos I've done over the last 3 years. Next year it's going to be busy, it's going to be good. I'm deliberately getting myself fat in order to do the nutrition and fitness side, because to be a prepper and you're ready to hit those hills, for example, you need to be fit. So the wild camping, at the gym, all these things play a part in it. Bugging out, vlogging and what's happening with Europe falling apart from Brexit to Catalan in Spain, and now with Trump, the Jerusalem and stuff that's going on. To me it's indicators of things that's coming. So all that as well, and of course a lot of fun. Seeing the Scottish Highlands, I want to do more winter wild camping, the drone footage coming, the nightscapes with the stars, plenty of ideas. So a variety for everyone. If you're into the prophecies and the prepping, great. If not, you're into bushcraft, then you're going to see from tree studies to know the exact woods, to bow saw, fire making, to all kinds of fire making, to living off the land, medicinal purposes with plants and trees, to you name it. It's all coming. Something for everyone. And of course if you're just interested in Scotland, great, I'm going to get round about and show you all. So hopefully maybe about 2 videos a week would keep me going, keep the channel busy. I'm not quite a piggy bank, but it's constantly having to do them. So if you saw my channel update, you know I need to live up to the name now, because 2018 is going to be a big year. Watch this spot this time next year, see where we are. But have a good one, guys. I'm eating this smoked skin and mais again. Catch you later.